What are the names?
So the yellow one
Yeah.
is Lucy.
Lucy, the yellow one. How about the white one?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Ooh, they are so lovely.
Yeah.
Are they both male?
They're male
Girls?
and female.
Yeah. Ah, male and female. Who's the female there?
The yellow one?
The yellow one is Lucy.
Yeah.
Fluffy is the male, the boy one.
Yeah.
Oh, so lovely.
They always kiss together.
Really?
Yeah.
So what are they eating? You already feed them?
Budgie food.
Did you already feed them?
Well, the birds can feed them themselves.
Okay. Oh, who's feeding them? Who's putting the food?
The budgies.